Gurudeva online classes. Yes, my dear students, I am your maths teacher. Yes, we finished the first semester all topics, right? Yes, now come to our second semester. So first, I will introduce our textbook to you. Here is a second standard, second semester textbook. Its name is 9 Hands. So now all of you watch the contents page. See here, this is the content page, right? So in that, the four main subjects are there. The first one is English, the second one is Environmental Studies, third one Mathematics, and the last one General Knowledge. So now come to our subject, that is Mathematics, right? So in Mathematics, the total number of chapters are 6. The first one is multiplication, the second one is length, third one is division, fourth one is mass, fifth one capacity, and the last one is money. So these are all the total chapters in mathematics subject, right? So now all of you open the page number 67. See here, this is the page number 67. Here they gave detailed table of contents. The first chapter is multiplication. So in multiplication they gave some sub-contents. I am reading one by one. All of you listen here. The first one, multiplication as repeated addition. The second one, properties of multiplication. Third one, multiplication on the number line. And the fourth one, multiplication tables of 2 to 10. Fifth one, skip counting. Sixth one, multiplication by column method. Seventh one, multiplication of two-digit number by one-digit number, both with and without carrying. The next one, multiplication of three-digit number by one-digit number. So here also with and without carrying. And the last one, word problems. So these are the sub-contents of the chapter multiplication, right? Yes, my dear students, in the class of first, already you learned what is multiplication and also some examples along with multiplication on number line, and the next one is tables of 1, 5, 10, right? And also you learned about the multiplication of single digit number by single digit number, right? So now by using this they gave one beautiful activities in the class of second. Are you ready to do? Yes. So first all of you open the page number 68. Page number 68. So here is your first chapter, that is multiplication, right? So here they gave one beautiful activity. So its headline is let's recall. It means what you have learned in the class first, right? Yes, my dear student. So here I am reading the headline, count and fill in the blanks. So here are some flowers, right? In the first row we have the total number of flowers are 1, 2, 3, 4. So I am writing here 4. In the second row also we have same number of flowers. The next, in the third row also we have same number of flowers, that is 4. I am writing here 4. So now find out the total number of flowers. So 4 plus 4 is 8, 8 plus 4 is 12. I am writing here 12. So here we add the number 4 3 times. So I am writing here 3 times 4. So this is also equals to 12, right? So next, I am replacing the word times by using the multiplication symbol, that is into. So now it becomes 3 into 4 is equals to 12. So this is the total number of flowers. So come to the second one. Here are 5 bowls, right? So inside of each bowl there are 3 marbles, right? So in the first bowl the total number of marbles are 3. In the second one also it has 3 marbles. In the third one also we have 3 marbles. The fourth one it is also has 3 marbles, and the last bowl it is also contains 3 marbles. Let's find out the total number of marbles. So 3 plus 3 is 6, 6 plus 3 is 9, 9 plus 3 is 12, 12 plus 3 is 15. Right? So now it can also be written as 5 times 3 because we add the number 3 5 times. So it is also equals to 15. So now I am replacing the word times by using the symbol of multiplication, that is into. So now it is 5 into 3 is equals to 15. So this is the total number of marbles. So my dear students, I finished the first and second one. You have to do the third one in your home. So this is our first chapter, multiplication. In that the first subcontent is the multiplication as repeated addition. So already you know multiplication means adding the same number repeatedly. So that's why we call it as a repeated addition. Right? So first I will show one example to you. So my dear students, already you know the multiplication is a repeated addition. Means here we are adding the same number repeatedly. Right? So first see here, so there are 3 sets of balls. Right? In each set we have 2 balls. See here, 1 and 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. In the first set we have 2 balls. Right? Come to the second set. So here also 1 and here is also another 1 ball. 1 plus 1 is 2. In the third set also we have 2 balls. So in the 3 set also we have 2 balls. The next, already you know how to add the numbers. So I am adding the symbol of addition here. Right? So 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 plus 2 is 6. So here the total number of balls are 6. Right? So here 2 is added 3 times. Right? So here 2 is added how many times? 3 times. Right? See here 1, 2, 3. The total 3 times we added the same number, that is 2. Here is also 2 and the second set is also 2 and the third set is also 2. So we added 2 3 times and finally we get 6. Right? So as 3 times 2. So 1 time, 2 times and 3 times. This is 3 times we write the same number, that is 2. So now I am replacing the word times by using the symbol of multiplication, that is into. We can also call it as cross. It means, see here, 3 cross 2 or 3 into 2 and we get the number 6 here. The total number of balls are 6. We add the same number 3 times. Right? So 3 into 2 is equals to 6. So here the answer in multiplication we call it as product. 3 multiplied by 2 we get 6. So here the answer in multiplication we call it as product. Right? So this is the multiplication as a repeated addition. So my dear student, so this 2 plus 2 plus 2 is equals to 6. So in multiplication this is called repeated addition. We adding the same number repeatedly. Right? So this is called repeated addition. So after this, by using the multiplication symbol we write it as 3 into 2 or 3 multiplied by 2 is equal to 6. So this is called multiplication fact. Right? So these two things are very important. So all of you learn it. Right? So my dear student, so this is about multiplication as repeated addition. So now I will show another one example to you. Yes, my dear children, all of you look here. There are 3 sets of chocolates are there, right? In each set we have 4 chocolates. See here 1, 2, 3, 4. In the first set the total number of chocolates are 4. So in the second set also we have same number of chocolates. In the third set also we have 4 chocolates. If you add all these chocolates means 4 plus 4 plus 4. 4 plus 4 is 8. 8 plus 4 is 12. So here how many times are we added 4? We added 4 3 times, right? So I am writing 4 is added how many times? 3 times. So my dear children, so 4 plus 4 plus 4 is equals to 12, right? So here how many times are we added 4 here? We added 3 times. So 4 is added 3 times and we get 12, right? So it can also be written as 3 times 4. So we added 4 3 times, right? So first time, second and third time, right? So 3 times we added the same number 4 and we get 12 as the answer, right? Here we replace the word times by using the multiplication symbol. So I am writing as 3 into 4 is equals to 12, right? 3 times 4 is 12. It can also be. So here I am writing with the help of multiplication symbol, right? That is 3 into 4 is equal to 12. So here which is the repeated addition? So this 4 plus 4 plus 4 is equal to 12. So this is called a repeated addition. And what is the multiplication fact? So here 3 into 4 is equal to 12. This is the multiplication fact, right? So my dear student, so this is about the multiplication as repeated addition. Now come to our textbook activity. All of you open the page number 70 in your textbook. So here is the exercise number 1.1. The first main I am reading, all of you listen here. Write the multiplication fact for each picture.
Yes, my dear student. So this is an exercise number 1.1 A main. So here you have to write down the multiplication fact in this box. Come to the first one. Here are some fishes. Here there are 3 sets of fishes are there. In the first set we have 2 fishes. In the second and third also we have 2 fishes each, right? So first write down the total number of sets. 1, 2, 3. Write down here 3 into the next. In each set we have 2 fishes. So write down here 2. So the total number of fishes are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So write down here 6. This is 3 into 2 is equals to 6. Come to the second one. So here are some beautiful butterflies. The total number of sets are 1, 2, 3, 4. In each set the total number of butterflies are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So first in this box write down the total number of sets. Those are 4. In each set we have 6 number of butterflies. So write down here 6. So 4 into 6 it gives the total number of butterflies in all sets. That is 24. Right? So like that you have to do the third one and fourth in your home.
So my dear students, now come to the second main. I am reading the headline. All of you listen here. Write the multiplication fact for each repeated addition. So this is the B main, right? So here the first one already they wrote the multiplication fact. So already you know how to write the multiplication fact. It means by using the symbol of multiplication we are writing the multiplication fact, right? So in the first one, how many 6 are there? Here 3 6 are there. So 1 2 3. So it means they add 3 times the number 6 and they get 18 as the answer. So here in multiplication fact, first thing is you always write down how many times they add the same number. So here they add 3 times. So here also they wrote at first 3 here. And into it is a symbol of multiplication and 6 is the same number or being added here, that is 6. So the answer is 18 is equals to 18 they wrote at last. So this is the first one. So come to the second one. So that is 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. So here how many times they add the number 4 here? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4, right? So I am writing 4 first. The next, the symbol of multiplication, it is into, right? Which number are they add repeatedly here? The number 4 is added repeatedly. So that number I am writing in the next place. What is the answer? Means what is the product? That is 16. So 4 into 4 it is 16. So 16 is the product of 4 and 4. Right? Come to the third one. So here how many times are they add the number 7 here? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here they add 7 5 times. So first I am writing 5 here. Right? The next, that is the symbol of multiplication into. So which number are they added repeatedly here? The number 7. Right? So I am writing at next. So what is the answer? That is 35. If you add 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7, the answer is the 35 itself. So in multiplication symbol, 5 into 7 is equals to 35. Write down here 35. So come to the last one. So in the fourth problem, how many times are they added 5 here? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The total number is, they added 8 times the same number 5. So what is the answer? 40. So 8 into 5 is equals to 40. Right? The 40 is the product of 8 and 5. So this is the B main. Come to the last main. I am reading the headline. All of you listen here. Write each of the multiplication fact in the form of repeated addition. This is the last main. The first one already they show how to solve this problem. Here they add 3 times the number 2 here. So if you add 2 3 times means 2 plus 2 is 4, 4 plus 2 is 6. So 6 is the 6, right? So in the multiplication fact it is 3 into 2 is equal to 6, right? So like that you have to solve the remaining problem. The first one, 1 into 8, they gave multiplication fact here. It means 1 into 8. It means you have to multiply the number 8 only one time. So I am writing only 1 8 here. 1 into 8 is equals to 8. Right? So come to the third one. That is 9 into 3. So here they add the number 3 9 times. See here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. If you add the number 3 9 times, what you will get? We get 27. So 9 into 3 is equals to 27. Right? Come to the last one. 8 into 4. It means here they add the number 4 how many times? 8 times. See here they add the number 4 how many times? 8 times. See here. What is the answer? Let's find out. So 4 plus 4 is 8. 8 plus 4 is 12. 12 plus 4 is 16. 16 plus 4 is 20. 20 plus 4, 24. 24 plus 4, 28. 28 plus 4 is 32. So what is the multiplication fact? 8 into 4 is 32. 8 into 4 is equals to 32. So this is how to solve the problem. Right? So my dear students, now I will give some homeworks to you. All of you do in your home. Yes, my dear student. So here is your homework. Write down the multiplication fact for the following. So here you have to write down the multiplication fact for all these problems. Right? So my dear students, so in this class you learned about the multiplication as a repeated addition. In the next class I will teach you the properties of multiplication. Okay students, bye.